I replaced compressor start relay for error code 22 and the fridge and freezer still will not cool.
Just to clarify, what device is giving you an error code or message?
Kenmore Elite refrigerator.
How long has this been going on with your computer? What have you tried so far?
Refrigerator defrosted 1 week ago and error code 22 came up on display.
Anything else you want the computer expert to know before I connect you?
No.
This is Steve with JustAnswer. It sounds like you found the right problem. I would double check and make sure it's wired correctly. This video shows the proper wiring and wire colors. Blue on the right, pink on the left, black on the white piece. Overload, if it still is showing a E22 error code, I would also, with a meter, check for 120 volts between the overload, white piece, and ground and see if you have 120. If your compressor is not running, you replace these parts, wired it correctly, and the compressor is getting hot, tripping the overload. You could have a bad compressor. Only if you're receiving the full 120 volts and not getting anything out of the compressor, you could have gotten a bad part, but very unlikely. Lastly, you could ohm out the compressor between each terminal and get some reasonable 1 to 10 ohm resistance. If you're getting something wacky like 10 ohm, your start winding in the compressor could be open. You only check for ohms on the compressor with 0 wires connected. You would just measure from each pin. https://u2.b/looksstudio T equals 142 error code 22 says that the start components have failed, like you thought, and replaced already.
Okay, thank you. I'll check everything and get back to you. I'm getting 1.5 ohms and 140 volts and the compressor is vibrating and the condenser fan runs continuously non-stop. I apologize, it's 1.5 ohms for the start relay.
If the compressor is vibrating, the fridge is probably trying to cool. If it's not cooling, then it's likely a leak. Give 24 hours to see if the fridge cools.
It's been running for over 24 hours.
https://www.msn.com/NS/news/technology/LG settles class action lawsuit over refrigerator compressors/RBB 194 LXF. If you put clamp on ohm meter on the black wire of the compressor and it's running low amperage, generally 0.82 amps, it's a low functioning compressor generally. I don't know if you have a linear compressor or not. You may want to check your user manual. Okay, you could either have a compressor that isn't functioning correctly, or a leak in the system. I think Kenmore Elite comes with a 5-year sealed system warranty and a 10-year linear compressor warranty. If you have a receipt, you may need to pay labor to have it replaced, but it could be covered. If compressor is running and there is no cooling whatsoever after 24 hours, it's a sealed system issue. The compressors are renowned for failure. https://www.kenmore.com/warranty information #elite refrigerators.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.